going on, everyone? ggkickzz here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. It's all free. It takes 3 seconds and you guys will be notified when my shoe reviews come out. So right here, we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 12 reverse flu game in all its glory. There was a lot of controversy with this shoe when the leak images came out. The release date wasn't even verified till literally almost like 3 weeks before the shoe launched. So yeah, what people didn't like about this shoe and what still doesn't really sit right with me is this midsole part on the heel. It's like a different shade of red and it just throws people off. It's hard to capture the actual red of this shoe on camera as well. So it's like one of those sneakers that you actually have to just see in person, try it out for yourself, see how it looks on your foot, because on feet it could look better on some people than other people. So you guys just have to keep that in mind with this shoe. It's just gonna have to be one of those shoes where you go try it on, see if you got some fits for it, and that'll help you make your decision on whether or not you like this shoe or not. I'm going to be breaking down the materials used on this Air Jordan 12 reverse flu game, telling you guys what I think about it. So don't go anywhere. We're going to take a closer look right now. Your box is your regular Air Jordan 12 box, Varsity red, black, quality inspired by the greatest player ever, brown on top with your Jumpman, orange around. Let's open this bad boy up. And boom, here's the reverse flu game Jordan 12s. Take the other one out. Just brown normal paper on the inside. Brings extra pair of red laces if you want to bleed this shoe out. I personally think that is too much. When I first saw images of this shoe, well, this is probably everybody's opinion, but this right here was just throwing a lot of people off because it's a very different shade than this top part right here. I don't really know how good the camera's picking up this red. Sometimes it makes it look like a pinkish red, but sometimes it makes it look like a very dark red. It just depends on the lighting and your camera as well. So the midsole and outsole is just all blacked out. Even on the mudguard is all blacked out. You have your reptilian textured mudguard as well going up into the toe box. And you have your Jumpman logo on the side there as well, as any Jordan 12 would have. On the outsole is your nice Jordan 12 outsole with your carbon fiber underneath there for more stability. On the tip of the outsole near the toe box, you have your nice 23 in red and your Jumpman creeping up through the toe box. The toe box is made out of this rough suede material. This isn't like soft suede, this is like rough, kind of a Durabuck feel to it. Up the tongue you have your 2-3 lettering as well, as you guys can see, with your all black laces. You have your hard plastic Air Jordan logo on the eyelids on the top of the shoe. On the top of the tongue you have your Jordan branding as well, stitched in black. On the inner side of the shoe, same concept here, guys. Nothing is really changing much, just your red suede going all around. On the heel here, you guys can see quality inspired by the greatest player ever again, and your Jordan spelled out. Your Jordan Jumpman on the pull tab as here as well, with a red background, and your 23 on the heel. This is called the reverse flu game. I really wish that they didn't add this red here because it just gives it too much red. I wonder how it would look if it was black, if that would throw it off, or maybe just try to get it as close as the same red. But this is like more of a gym red and this is a varsity red, so that just doesn't add up at all. On the insole there, I'm not even going to take it out because there's nothing really special. It's just a normal Jordan insole with a red Jumpman on the inside. You guys let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Would it even look dope with the red laces? Because to me it looks like the red laces are even a different shade, so I'm not even going to attempt to put these on. Black laces look great on these. Don't really know why they added the red laces, but that's just if you want to bleed the shoe out, you guys go ahead, do that. I'm going to keep mine normal. So let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section down below. The build quality of it, almost forgot. Quality on the suede, it's not really my cup of tea. It's like this rough the kind of nappy-ish suede like we would see on the side of the 13s. That's kind of what it reminds me of. So I'm not really a huge fan of that. I like soft suede, short hair suede, suede that changes when you would swipe your finger. This doesn't change shades at all. It just stays the same red. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be rating this shoe an 8.5 out of 10. This reverse flu game colorway obviously could have been better. I don't really know what they could have done with this red portion right here. If they would have made a suede and just would have blended in, or really what, because I feel like if it would have been black and all of this would have been black, it just maybe would have looked too weird, if that makes any sense. So maybe that's why they decided to go with the red. But it's like a gym red colorway on this midsole part, and on the top it's a varsity red. So I really don't know what was going on in their mind with that. The hard suede on the upper also is kind of a plus and a minus. I like suede that when you move it, it moves. If you guys know what I'm saying, like the shades change. That's my type of suede. So this shoe I passed on myself for personal, but who knows, I may be regretting it in the future. The red laces on here, I wouldn't do that. That's just gonna be too much red on the shoe, like I said earlier. You guys let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section below. Did you cop? Did you miss out? Did you regret missing out? Did you pass on these on purpose? Let me know in the comment section below. Interact with me. I always read comments. I always reply. So if you guys made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please, please, please press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. You know the vibe. See you guys on the next one.